regarding OBE and how we can achieve OBE with the help of AI and various skills related to AI. According to our schedule, I am going to cover 4 different subjects, but interrelated with you. First, I am going to speak about underlying threads of OBE. Whether OBE is only for some calculation of attainment, or why are we doing this, and what is its importance, and how we can attain the objectives. I am going to speak about 100+ ways to use ChatGPT in the classroom for an exciting classroom. And every participant, I request you to note whatever I am going to speak, it is not there on internet. These are all developed exclusively based on our requirement, and these data and these interpretations and these details will not be there on internet anywhere. So therefore, you are going to get some exclusive information, and for that you can use in your classroom and in your personal life.